Hey guys, so this is my very first video here. So this video is going to teach you from basically being a complete newbie without knowing anything. So you're gonna need three things. The first one is making an account on tradingview.com. So let's go there right now. The second thing you need is to open a BitMEX account to trade Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies. And the third, of course, you need some Bitcoin. So tradingview.com, so it's basically a platform where people can share their trading ideas and make their own. So here are the top ones. I haven't really checked them in a while because I do my own analysis. So you guys can sign up, it's for free. Uh, there is a pro version, and that pro version so basically it has some additions. We'll get into that on the second or third video. So once you sign, I'm gonna just log in. I'll be back in like 10 seconds. Alright, I'm back. So, wait, I went too fast. So, once you log in or sign up, whatever you're doing, you're gonna go into the main page. So, what you wanna do is click on chart. It's over here. Once you click on chart, it's gonna look something like this. I have like other charts, but this is just a blank chart to show you guys. So, with this, you're able to view charts. So, BitMEX's ticker is XBTUSD. So we're gonna go up here on the top left and type in XBT USD. So that's basically the Bitcoin dollar. No, the Bitcoin with the US dollar. So right now it's at 3,400 US, and it did crash a lot, but you can still make lots of money even when it crashes by shorting. We'll get into that on the second video. The second video will include more of like setting up your account and some basic trading terminology. So as we can see here, this is the Bitcoin chart. So once you're all set, you're on your chart, you should just go to bitmex.com. So here we are. You can log in, but for you guys, just register. So the USA, they do not allow American citizens to trade on BitMEX, but lots of people still do it. So you can just get a VPN and enable it, then you'll be fine. So since I'm in Canada, some exceptions. If you live in Quebec, you cannot trade on BitMEX. So when you log in, it's gonna look like something like this. I haven't logged in, so it's not gonna show anything. But here's how my setup looks like. Something like this. So I'll actually just log in to show you guys how BitMEX is. One sec. Alright, I'm back. So I logged in and one of my accounts here I have 0.35 BTC. I deposited 1/10 like the other week and I turned into this, so I basically made 350% profit, which is pretty good compared to other traders. So once you log in, this here would be 0. So what you're gonna want to do is go to account, click on deposit, and here we are. This is your Bitcoin address. So once you buy Bitcoin, you just copy and paste this into your wallet or whatever, and just send it here, and it'll come in like 10 minutes. Depends on where you're sending it from. Maximum 30. So once you have deposited and it comes over here, you're all set and you're ready to begin trading. So here's the panel over here. So this here is leverage. You can, let's say you have 1/10 of a Bitcoin, which is about 340 bucks. If you change it to 10x leverage, you have $3,436 available to trade, since it's 10 times more than what you deposited. But keep in mind that you can get liquidated, and when you get liquidated, you lose all your shit which you traded. So I usually keep it at like 2x or 3x leverage to keep it really safe. And I'll get more into that on the next video. So sign up on tradingview.com, sign up on bitmex.com, buy some crypto and deposit it to BitMEX, and then you're set for the next video. Alright, peace out.